Still wasting time prompting images one by one, only to get messy videos with broken characters? What if I told you there's a smarter way? In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a storyboard, then use Seedance 2.0 to turn it into a video. But here's the kicker. You can do it all with just one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. It's the true all-in-one solution. Want to know how? Let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. Click the link in the description to download and install HitPaw Edimakor. Step 2. Generate the storyboard. Navigate to the AI Image tab and select Image Generate, text to image. Here is the pro tip. Select GPT Image 2. Now describe your video idea. I've left a universal prompt template in the description below. You just need to change the story details, such as subject, style, and the scene flow. Adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity. Click Generate. Just like that, you have a clear, professional storyboard ready to go. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into video. Now for the magic. Select the storyboard images you just created. Click Generate Video to enter the image to video. Choose your favorite model. Whether it's the trending Minimax, Halo 02, Seedance 2.0, or Kling, they are all right here. Use Seedance 2.0 as it automatically matches the visuals with fitting sound effects. For the prompt, keep it simple but precise. You can use this. Based on this storyboard, generate a coherent and complete video corresponding to each frame, adhering to its style. Maintain the exact character design, art style, and lighting. Smooth camera movements. The first frame serves as the opening shot of the video. Set your duration and resolution. Make sure the Generate Audio option is turned on. Hit Generate and watch your masterpiece come to life. It's that simple. Step 4. Adjust the video. At this point, your video is basically done. But if you want to swap out a frame or tweak the music, Edimakor lets you edit every detail freely. It's that flexible. You can easily generate different storyboards and turn them into unique videos. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If this video helped you save time and money, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.